Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Shark AV752 Ion Robot Vacuum, a powerhouse of cleaning technology designed to make your life easier. This robotic vacuum boasts a tri-brush system that combines side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll, ensuring a thorough clean on all surfaces. With intelligent cliff sensors, it expertly navigates around ledges, stairs, and furniture, while the SharkClean app allows you to start, stop, and schedule cleanings right from your phone. Plus, with easy voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, commanding your robot to clean has never been simpler. Enjoy up to 120 minutes of runtime for whole home, floor to carpet cleaning, backed by Shark's rigorous testing for reliability and power. Included with the Shark Ion robot are a charging dock, 2 side brushes, and a filter, providing everything you need for a seamless cleaning experience. So, if you're looking for a smart, efficient, and powerful cleaning solution, the Shark AV752 Ion Robot Vacuum might just be your new best friend in home maintenance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.